Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple bar graph. By the end, you'll be able to turn a small table of numbers into a clear visual that quickly tells a story. This is perfect for comparing categories like monthly sales, survey responses, or any list where you want to see which items are higher or lower at a glance. Start by opening Google Sheets. You can use an existing spreadsheet or a new one, as long as your data is ready. A simple layout works best. Put your categories in one column and the corresponding numbers in the next. If you have labels at the top of each column, that's great, those will become your chart's labels and legend. If not, it'll still work. But headers make everything easier to read. Next, highlight your data. Click and drag from the top left cell of your table to the bottom right, so that both your categories and their values are selected. Be sure to include the headers if you have them. A clean selection helps Google Sheets understand exactly what you want to plot. If you are working with a larger table, Shift plus the arrow keys is a quick way to extend your selection without losing your place. Now click Insert, then Chart. You'll find Insert in the menu bar at the top of the screen. As soon as you do this, Google Sheets will create a chart for you and open the Chart Editor panel on the right side. Don't worry if the first chart you see isn't a bar graph. Sheets often guesses a chart type based on your data. In the Chart Editor panel, confirm that the chart type is set to column chart or bar chart. A column chart displays vertical bars, which is great when you are comparing just a few categories or looking at changes across a timeline. A bar chart displays horizontal bars, which can be easier to read if your category names are long or if you have many items to compare. If Sheets pick something else, simply open the chart type dropdown and choose column chart or bar chart. As soon as you pick one, you'll see your data represented as easy to compare bars. That's it. The core process for a simple bar graph is complete. With cleanly selected data and the correct chart type, your information becomes instantly more understandable. Take a moment to read the labels and make sure the bars match the values you expect. If they do, you are good to go. Thanks for watching.